Hey, happy holidays and Merry Christmas each and every one out there in the world. Today is Christmas Eve, the day before Christmas, and still trying to complete both sets of the first chapter and Rise of the FloodBorn before Les Tres Dencres comes out. So here we are to celebrate. We're going to open up 2 packs of the first chapter and 2 packs of the FloodBorn. So we are going to go ahead and begin. Great job. He had just learned how to land his drum. It is alright. It's okay. So here we are, brand new pack, as you can see, with Maleficent on it. And yeah, I was just at the store shelves at major retailers, Myers, Walmart, and Lorcanas are all sold out everywhere for the past week. So if you were able to get your hands on some, consider yourself lucky. Pokemon is having a sale. If you happen to try to complete your binders for Pokemon. So we're going to go ahead and start out with Puma, Jafar, Duke of Weaselton, Maleficent, Sinister Visitor, Aladdin, Fire of the Cannons, The Beast is Mine, Grandma Tala, Cinderella, and Dr. Facilier, into an Elsa, Spirit of Winter, and our last card is a Flotsam. So we didn't quite get the Enchanted, though we still got another opportunity, and this next, the first chapter, Lorcana with Mickey Mouse, Brave Little Tailor. I'll be happy with that. I'll be happy with Tinkerbell. Yeah, that's my chase card for the first chapters, like Tinkerbell, and then Elsa, and then I got Stitch already. So actually, I'm just trying to get them all, but we'll see. Simba, Jafar, Aladdin, Jasmine Disguised, Elsa Ice Surfer, non-foil, Fire of the Cannons, Lilo, Moana, Chosen by the Ocean. Would have been nice if that was foil. Reflection, Let It Go, non-foil. Ooh, we got Mickey Mouse, Brave Little Tailor. Alright. That is one of the major case cards. And followed by a Hey, so it is not at all a loss. So, diving into our third pack of the first chapter in the quest for Enchanted with Maleficent. So this is our third shot for Christmas, so we're going to see exactly what we get. So following this pack, we start off with Merlin, self-appointed mentor, followed by Gaston, arrogant hunter, Mr. Smee, Elsa, Queen Regent, Genie, the first impression, Tinkerbell, tiny tactician, Rapunzel, letting down her hair, Elsa, Snow Queen, non-foil, Mad Hatter, gracious host, Poisoned Apple, non-foil, Belle, strange but special, and we got a Prince Philip for the last. So we got a couple good cards out of the first chapter. So that concludes the first chapter and our quest for Enchanted. So now we got 2 shots at collecting something for Rise of the FloodBorn. And it is rather difficult trying to read these cards looking at the screen. I don't know how meteorologists do it, but they do it. Early after. So we got Merlin Squirrel. We got Felicia, Always Hungry. We got Queen of Hearts. Duke Weaselton. Happy. Beast, Forbidden Recluse, non-foil. Card Soldiers, full deck. Mouse Armor. Bell Bookworm. Dragon Gem. Cogsworth, Grandfather Clock. And Hercules, Hero and Trin Foil. With the Minnie Mouse holding the flashlight. So that was our first shot. We got some cards that we still need to fill the binder. So following this pack right here, a Lorcana. Rise of the FloodBorn with the beast on there. Opening it up right here. Here's the cool tab. Pulling it out. So here we go. We're going to start it off with Dr. Facilitator. Savvy Opportunist. Minnie Mouse is zipping around. Panic, Underworld Imp. Nothing to Hide. Grumpy. Beast. Queen of Hearts. Robin Hood. Capable Fighter, non-foil. And Cheshire Cat, Always Grinning. Hercules. Divine Hero. Arthur. Wizard's Apprentice. And Belle. Foil Bookworm. And that concludes it for our second pack of Rise of the FloodBorn. But there's more. In this starter deck, Rise of the FloodBorn is a pack of cards that may hold Enchanted. So we're going to go ahead and open it all up and see exactly what the Amber and Sapphire by Ravensburger really consists of. So, without further ado, diddly do, mate. Let's just dig right into it. There it is. The deck. And this is typically what comes in it. And then inside of here is where we'll have our foils of the Queen, which you can already see on top. And inside of here, when I open it up, is a foil. So we're going to open up our pack of Lorcana. Rise of the FloodBorn, the quest for Enchanted. So we are going to, not right at this moment, Corbin, after I get done doing this.
You want to when you're done?
Yeah, for sure. So we're going to go ahead and open up this pack. Okay. Let's make sure that the drone is charged. So we're going to go ahead and open up this pack. This is it. Drum rolls, please. Okay, so we got Basil. Perceptive Investigator. Followed by Grumpy. Followed by Merlin Squirrel. Felicia, Always Hungry. Queen of Hearts. Last Cannon. 4 dozen eggs. Snow White, unexpected house guest. Blue Fairy rewarding good deeds. Gruesome and grim. Arthur, Wizard's Apprentice. I'm stuck foil. And that will conclude it with a mini holding the flashlight. So we didn't quite get any of the Enchanted and any of the packs. Though we were able to still further our binder and further that ahead in both the first chapter and Rise of the FloodBorn. And we're going to open this up. Sleeve our foils, the ones that came exclusive that we can't even pull out of any of the booster box packs. Maybe even booster boxes. I have yet to get Lorcana booster boxes. Right now they're going about $200 and under. So when they get a little more affordable, around $150 or so, I'm going to go ahead and cop me one. So right now we got our foil, the Queen. And then we got our foil, the Gaston. So we're going to set these aside. We're going to set these aside right now. Set them over here to the side. Now we're going to go through and we're going to find our legendaries and our rares. So right now we got one legendary. We got Bashful. We got Bashful, Christopher Robin, Doc, Dopey, Gaston, Baritone Bully, Grand Duke, Advisor to the King. Now we're going into our commons, which lead into Grumpy. Set these off to the side, sleeve those up. Grumpy, Happy, Free Food, Rare, Sleepy, Sneezy. We pretty much got Snow White 7 doors here. Snow White. The Queen. Paint in the Roses red. Non-foil Bella Inventive Engineer. Corella DeVille, non-foil fashionable cruiser. We got Harem Flacium Toy Maker. We got Judy Hopps, Owl, Philosophies, The Knock, Winnie the Pooh, Having a Think, 4 dozen, The Launch, Fang Crossbow, Gumbo Pot, Pawsicle, and Pawsicle. So, and that will conclude it for Rise of the FloodBorn. So we're going to go ahead and start sleeving these up. And hopefully everybody is going to have a very Merry Christmas. Still got some Christmas presents still to wrap.
Hi.
So, as I go through the office, right here is the tree. Full of various presents and decorations. PJ Masks right here, decorated. Right, look at that. So, wishing you a very Merry Christmas from my family to yours for the year of 2023. So, 2024, let's make life more beautiful. Dream bigger. Be bolder. Take strides with pride. Revolutionize the uninspired and dull mind. to utilize man's creativity and genius for the betterment and advancement of mankind. So, with that being said, keep collecting, and I'll see you when I see you. And yeah, check this out. Before you go, look at, see? She got her slushy. She got her necklace, and then she also got her sunglasses. Splash. So yep, still working on that. It's gonna be nice when I'm done with it. So. In the meantime, stay blessed and do what you love and love what you do. So I'll see you when I see you.